Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to remove and fix there is no disk in drive error message in Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. Type regedit in search bar. Right click, run as administrator. H key local machine. System. Current control set. Control. Windows. Double-click error mode. Change value data to 2. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.